Let me show you how to set up and activate eSIM on your Google Pixel 10a or Pixel 10. So first, for this process, you will also need Wi-Fi connection or also mobile data connection. So we need internet access to be able to set this up. So then simply go in your settings, click your network and internet settings, SIMs, and simply click add SIM. And next, let's click set up an eSIM. Or also can transfer from another device here. Okay, so again, make sure you are connected to internet. And next also we are going to need basically this eSIM in a QR code format or also activation code, like something like this also could be used. Then what you have to do is you simply point your camera basically at this QR code. So also, if you perhaps have the QR code on the phone stored somewhere, so you can click scan from photo and you can select from the internal storage. For example, if it's in your email somewhere, you can maybe take a screenshot of it and pick the image from over here. So also, if you have the activation code, you can click here. And so you see you can enter the details manual here. But we are going to simply point our camera at this code here. So you see it picks it up, scans it, and I see it found a SIM card. So let's set it up. So this step might take up to like maybe 30 seconds sometimes. Okay, see it's activated, and then you see you can enable the SIM card over here. So let's enable it. And also we can set, if you have like a RD physical SIM card insert in the phone, you can set basically, your primary SIM card basically for calls and text here. So for example, select it here, click done. So it will activate the SIM card now and turn it on. So if you want to manage it, so again, over here we can do that. And also if you click here, as you can also even see your phone number here. Enable Wi-Fi calling, roaming, even set your network here and bunch more things. Okay, good luck.